The liver is part of the digestive system, and is involved in over 500 metabolic processes in the body. It is classified as a gland because it secretes hormones, but its functions are much more complex than that one purpose. The largest of your internal organs, the liver is responsible for life-critical processes, such as bile production. Bile breaks down fats, cholesterol, proteins, and some vitamins to make them readily absorbable by the intestines. Metabolizing and absorbing bilirubin. Bilirubin is formed by the breakdown of hemoglobin, the protein in blood that makes it red. The iron released from hemoglobin is stored in the liver and bone marrow, and is used to make new blood cells. Supporting blood coagulation. Vitamin K is necessary for the creation of certain coagulants that help clot the blood. Bile is essential for vitamin K absorption. 1. Eliminate toxic foods from your diet. You'll ease your liver's burden by not taking in toxins that it has to work hard to process. Processed foods contain additives of all kinds, including chemical preservatives, emulsifiers, color, etc. Hydrogenated oils are not naturally occurring and are therefore difficult for your liver to break down. They are produced by adding oxygen to natural oils to make them thicker and increase shelf life. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration announced in 2013 that these types of oil are not generally recognized as safe, yet they persist in processed and fried foods and on grocery store shelves. Trans fats are known to raise cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke, and have been linked to cancer, nervous system and vision disorders, diabetes, obesity, and allergies. In addition, trans fats are inflammatory, disrupt the immune system, and their fumes when heated are carcinogenic. Switch to fruit and seed oils, like coconut, avocado, olive, sesame, and walnut. Nitrates and nitrites are chemicals added to processed foods as coloring and preservatives. Processed meats are especially loaded with them. Nitrates are a naturally occurring compound, but that's not the stuff that's added to your morning bacon, your afternoon salami sandwich, or your dinner-time hot dog. When ingested, added nitrates mix with enzymes and other body chemicals, and can form N-nitroso compounds that have been strongly associated with increased cancer risk. 2. Drink raw vegetable juice. An easy way to pack a whole lot of nutrition in one glass. Your liver benefits from a wide variety of vegetables, but it's hard to eat enough to provide a thorough cleanse. Using a juicer, you can pack 4 to 5 servings of raw vegetables into one glass, creating a nutrient-dense liver detox powerhouse. Mixing vegetables also makes it easy to include selections you don't particularly like. Additionally, drinking just the juice rather than the entire vegetable that contains digestion-intensive fiber in the pulp is easier on the liver. 3. Increase your potassium intake. Liver damage depletes blood potassium levels. If you have problems with your kidneys, consume potassium-laden foods in moderation. Research has shown a direct correlation between low serum potassium and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Potassium is important to the liver to regulate cell pressure and maintain heartbeat. The heart supplies the liver with blood. Liver cells, when faced with restricted blood flow, lose dangerous amounts of potassium. Potassium deficiency in otherwise healthy people isn't uncommon, so if you are at a loss to begin with, liver dysfunction will exacerbate the problem. Getting enough potassium is delicious. Bananas are the most well-known source, but there are many others. Make sure your produce is organic for the best flavor, nutrition, and no applied toxins. 4. Add milk thistle, dandelion, and turmeric to your diet. These herbs and spice are notorious for liver support. Milk thistle is probably the most effective herb for liver support. It contains several flavonoid antioxidants, and protects the liver from toxins and heavy metals. Thistle has been shown to speed healing of the liver, when it's been plagued by hepatitis and cirrhosis. A 2010 study found significant reductions in liver toxicity resulting from chemotherapy after supplementation with milk thistle. You can find milk thistle tea, tinctures, or capsule supplements at natural food stores. As with beets, the entire dandelion is edible and extremely beneficial for human health. Dandelion greens are a natural diuretic that promote toxin elimination and stimulate bile production and flow. The leaves can be rather tough, but are wonderful as a tea or in a juice or smoothie. The root of the dandelion improves lipid fat profiles, and its antioxidants reduce the risk of metabolic disorders. It's also good for easing digestion. Turmeric is a super spice, good for whatever ails you, and the liver is no exception. Its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compound curcumin has been found to help improve liver metabolism and repair injury caused by various toxins and illnesses. 5. Eat cooked animal liver or take a liver supplement. There are many benefits to eating organ meats. While it may seem kind of weird to eat animal liver to support your own liver, it actually makes a lot of sense, as the nutrients and composition of the meat are the same as yours. Liver contains bioavailable vitamins, minerals, antioxidant enzymes, and healthy fats. Ensure the liver is from organic or grass-fed animals to avoid the chemicals with which conventionally raised animals are infused. If you don't like to eat liver, supplements can be found in capsule form. Quick Start 24-hour liver cleanse. The liver doesn't get gunked up overnight. Neither can you completely clean it out in that time. The steps WEVE laid out above are intended as a long-term solution to liver detoxification and support. We can, however, offer a boost that will wake up a sluggish liver and start chipping away at the toxins that affect it. To prepare for the 24-hour cleanse and improve its efficacy, start 7 days before. Eat kale, cabbage, lettuces, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, citrus fruits, asparagus, beets, and celery. Cut out processed foods and alcohol. Limit or eliminate meats, refined carbohydrates, and gluten. Drink one or more of our liver detox tonics. Click on the link for a recipe. You can always mix and match. Liver detox drink. At the end of the week, mix and drink only the following cleansing detox drink for an entire day. How much you prepare depends on how much you will drink. Consume a minimum of 72 ounces of this mixture and 72 ounces of water throughout the day. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 oranges, 3 lemons, 54 ounces filtered water, 18 ounces cranberry juice, real organic juice, not cocktail or mixed juices. Directions: place nutmeg, ginger, and cinnamon in a tea diffuser, and steep in simmering water for 20 minutes. Remove water from heat and allow to cool. Squeeze juice from oranges and lemons and mix with spice water. You may sweeten with honey, maple syrup, molasses, or organic stevia, if desired. Mix cranberry juice with water. Add citrus juices and mix well. Sip throughout the day, alternating with plain water. After your quick start liver cleanse, reintroduce the foods you ate the week before, then follow the guidelines above to continue the detoxification process. Once you've resumed your normal diet with the modifications outlined, repeat the 24-hour cleanse periodically to maintain a healthy liver.